it's windy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road. So today we have another pilot rock video for you today because we just got done with our 10K special. Taco has been remodded, 35's, front bumpers, rear bumpers, all that fun stuff, and we got to test it out. So we want to test it out on either Cleghorn or pilot rock. We decided to go with pilot rock. A lot of the crew that's with us today, they haven't done pilot rock yet, so they want to try out the trail. They've seen the videos recently, and you guys have sure seen the video. So we're gonna get started real soon. George is gonna do his thing, walking around, talking about the new mods to the Taco, new mods to the XJ. Then we're gonna get to it. Let's get it.
All right, so we back. 2NX17, like Dustin said. We're gonna walk around, check everybody out. Dustin's on 35's, I'm on 35's. We're gonna try and not break shit and go up some trails. But like I said, Thick Juice is right there. Sonny, say what's up.
They've only had less than 50 or 60 people die.
The boys are here.
So,
woo, 35 gang. Let's see who breaks first. Look at who's back. Hyman's back. Yeah. Look at my man with the runner. No runner though.
It's not just still broken.
Still broken.
Oops, TDS.
Oops, TDS. He pokes me out the FJ. Look at George. George is back as always. This is my man's. He brought the old boy. Oh, she's here.
Sell them if you need some.
She's here.
you got big boys.
Look at who showed up. Look at Flaco. Flaco, why you all by yourself way over there, bro?
Soy el niño sin amor, güey.
Vente, güey. A mí tampoco me quieren. So, quick walk around. It's just a small group. We're trying to follow all the rules where we don't have big groups and all that good stuff. So, but everybody's airing down. We're about to finish, and then we're gonna keep moving to NX17. Let's go hit some trails that we didn't do last time. And I'm gonna try it with the Jeep again, see if we can get in. All right, so we're going down through the gatekeeper at 2NX17. Dustin's on 35 now, so we're gonna check the line. Right there.
Different with 35, it's a lot different.
Hey, something's making a noise back here. Something's making a noise.
There's a bit of trimming.
Oh, it's his tire holder thing. Yeah. Woo! Ah, come on, man. Yeah, sliders though. Yeah, it's front lockers too. Oh yeah. Get you some, Paul. Get you some. I know. He was good though. He made it last time. think I can do it without lockers?
I have nothing?
Nothing.
Right.
Let's try it. Yeah, he's got lockers. Woo! Here comes the bump. Bump. Crawl it, crawl it, crawl it. Hey! 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 Oh wait, we're not out of this shit yet. Now bump it. Yeah! 35's, baby! Woo! 35! Daddy can do it with 35! Oh! Wait! Yo! We're gonna do it with the other ones, but we're gonna do it with 35s! Let's get it! Damn, must be nice to have lockers. Hey, Jaime, he's gotta bump it. The horn works.
Rookie horns!
No, wait. Woo!
You figured it out. It's big tires. That's what you need.
Yeah, 35.
Big tires are short wheelbase.
Yeah.
Or both.
Whoa.
That's true. Oh no! Oh no! Use the Thunderers!
He's fully locked, right?
Back up.
Oh, it's gripping. Oh, yeah! No. Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Man, that thing looks like a little toy truck going out those shits now with those big old tires.
It's probably too windy.
Why? Are you not being yourself?
Slightly.
Oh, look behind me! Stop! Ivan, let's with you.
Yeah, to back up like that. Back up like that. Winch. Hey, you want a winch?
Go back.
Hey, fool, what the hell?
Ain't nothing. Go back behind.
Yeah. Keep going, keep going. Gave the Weston bumper a good test. Jaime's winch, it definitely works. Well, that just got interesting. All right, quick update. It's windy. Jaime almost flipped. I'm rubbing a lot. It's a pretty good day so far. As for the Tacoma on 35's, just, you know, I do rub. Getting used to it, getting used to the power delivery is a little different when you have bigger tires, so getting used to that. But it's working pretty well. It's doing pretty good. The where I'm rubbing is in the rear, so I got to take out those inner fender plastics or cut them out, and then we should be good to go. But we're currently waiting behind another group, and then we're gonna continue on the fun trail. But as always, 2 and 17X, it's a good time. Let's get it. What are you doing?
Paul told me to do it, so I can.
For 35. Flaco's trying to clear 35s before we get out of here. Jesus Christ. Did you see me fall, fool? I was trying to run over here. I was like, what is Flaco doing? I'm all running and I fall.
Jump scare.
Oh, smack the freaking. Don't smack the methods. Don't smack the methods. right, baby. Yep. Damn. Manny with the spotting skills. Oh, never mind. Damn. Woo-hoo-hoo! Muy huevos. We take Miller Canyon Road back down? Like last time? The fast way would be the fire trail. Back. We can hit some of the obstacles on the fire trail on the way back. Oh man! Like nothing! You're mad! Why? It's supposed to slipping everywhere. Vaya con Dios! Woo! Whee! Keep going.
Keep the momentum going.
Yeah. Hey, if you want to split gas, I'm down. If you want me to look good, you can help me. Help me with the wiring. Come on. Yeah. Wire the windows or do the... Yes. Help me with that. Manny!
And look what's back there. There's a Jeep on the side, just like Temo. I mean, not Temo, like Jaime. Yeah.
I have 35's now.
Get you some.
I'm very big. Very big.
Yeah, but
Big
do that.
boy.
Do that line. He said, hold my drink, Jaime. Yeah. I got you, bro.
Definitely.
But he's gonna go driver's side.
Yeah, you're right.
Jaime's gonna go check it out. So we're almost done with 2NX. Well, actually, 2NX17 I think just ended. This is a piece of Pilot Rock. And yeah.
Brian,
Now you want to go driver.
Brian, when he starts coming forward, slightly let off it.
Driver.
Let off a little bit.
Let that tire climb.
Wants to lift up or what?
Let that tire climb. Go driver.
Yours be up a little bit higher. Turn into this.
It's mine.
Oh. Good job, bro. You're killing it. Alright, so now that you guys see why we don't talk to JK guys, why Jaime?
That's why.
They're assholes. Like Jaime was just telling me we should go driver. He's like, hey, it's my Jeep. I do what I want. I mean, we're just trying to help, bro.
Don't help him.
It's his Jeep.
It's his Jeep.
Oh, he would have made it.
Very good, Curtis.
Dale. ¡Woo! ¡Dale, perro! ¡Woo! Get at me, Jake Hayes! Get at me!
slider. Come on. Oh.
Okay.
You coming? Turn the other way now. Turn the other way. Hard. Hard passenger. Go straight. Straight. That's hard passenger. Hey, no, wait. You're on the pump switch. Okay, go that way now. As you come up, yeah, like that. Like that. You're on it again. Oh, yeah, good.
Watch the drop on that pump.
Watch the methods.
Stay that way, you're good.
Yeah, right?
Like that, like you are. Like you are.
Damn!
I don't know. Taste it. You gonna crawl?
Nope, he's on it again. Ah, no, he's good, he's good. Woo! Look at that. Ouch!
Get that line. Nice and easy. You're gonna crawl right here first.
Got a wheel crack the board.
Did you turn your lockers on?
Good boy. You gotta hit the rock right here so it comes straight.
It's pretty low.
Nice and easy. Start turning. Hard.
Stay that way. Stay that way. Where you're going?
Not yet. Now turn. There you go. Hell yeah.
Slide back.
No, don't turn yet. Just keep coming up. There you go.
Okay. Love you too.
Jaime didn't listen, so he's just doing his thing.
Why is he making it all look so easy? Day one.
Good job, Dustin.
Day one.
Well, at least it's black.
Well, this will be the spare. I have to buy another one.
I'll go hard this way.
Go away.
He doesn't give a fuck. Oh yeah.
She will.
Hear it? Yeah, you got a bike coming down. Slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. You got that. Come on. Right there, nice straight.
Gonna drop into the car here.
In the front right here. Nice and straight.
Slow, 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 slow. Slow it, slow it. Slow.
Doesn't come out. It's great. The gray was great.
Hold on.
I won't climb those rocks, man.
Yeah, hold on. Climb that rock. Climb that.
Push him on this way.
Fuck her up, Paul. You're doing good.
Keep going, good, bro. Steady, driver. Now. That's right there. Right there, you're good. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Millimeters, bro. Millimeters.
Yeah! Let's go!
Fuck yeah!
Go climb that. Go climb that.
Driver, 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 driver. Driver. Driver, driver. Driver, driver. There you go, keep it straight.
Let's try this one, right?
George. George.
Hell yeah. That's the easy part.
Because I'm gonna come down and it's like. See, watch. This is gonna be your test. What size are your tires?
Nice and slow, nice and slow.
See? If a 37 smacks right there, what do you think is gonna happen to it?
Hell yeah, bro.
Wow.
Good one, bro. Nice.
Hey, driver.
Yeah, but
Hey, this way.
oh, my transmission.
Oh, we're on the bus. How much way now? Oh, all right.
That's great, baby. Damn!
Right there. Coming. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, just keep it like that. I'll tell you when to turn. Start turning now. Hard, hard. Harder. Mind that. Straight, straight, straight. Straight, straight, straight. Drive her a little bit. Right there. Mind that.
Big barrel! Damn! Little passenger.
No, keep it driving.
Well, because he's, yeah.
Slow, man. Slow. I felt it.
Touch me. Touch me.
That is my way.
Last but certainly not least, Mr. Sweden. No matter how much you look at it, there's no lockers. Sorry.
Keep going straight.
No problem.
Told you. Nice.
Sliders. You took them up right here or right here?
Oh, that way.
Oh, oh. Sonny, there's a vehicle coming. Come on. Because we're a little bit more right there.
Let's stay this way. Alright, turn off passenger.
It is.
2,000 years later.
Well, that's a thing. Full roller, huh? On the side?
To my side, yeah.
Well, you know, hey, that rack probably saved your life.
It's not all that strong, but I'm glad it's there. Yeah, more the camper shell too.
You're a first. What year's yours?
99.
Oh, okay. Hey, Plumber's been a good beer wench today.
Yeah? I'm sober as hell.
He's been a no. You're the beer wench. They don't drink.
That's bullshit. He doesn't need it though. We're sitting ready to stuff all the way there.
It's It's going.
Let's go. Let's give it a little bit. Let's give it a little bit of gas.
Oh, it turns. You're good.
Wait. Let them. Right there. Wait. Hey, wait. Wait, the right strap. Wait, hold on. Stop it. I'll play the right strap.
Open up the bald eagles. Hey, that strap held. He flexed on it. Damn.
Your 22 RE sounds weird, bro.
Hey, your power steering's off.
Easy peasy.
Look at baby Fernando.
That's Mini Fernando.
So, he's gonna drive it out of there. This we're talking about the Tacoma that flipped. We're actually gonna have him drive out. He's got brakes. Should be interesting. We'll see how it goes, but we'll be here enjoying the show. We're all done at Pilot Rock. Everybody made it safe. Paul's giving thumbs up because it was an awesome day.
Yeah, fun, right, Paul? Yeah, I broke my cherry.
We popped Paul's cherry today. But the Tacoma that broke his spindle, he made it back. We ended up ratchet strapping his spindle to his ball joint on his upper control arm, and he was able to drive out of here on his own, which is pretty cool. So he's got a tow truck. He's gonna be good to go, but that was a fun Pilot Rock run. Definitely gonna be coming back soon to Pilot Rock to explore all the rest of the obstacles that we haven't done yet. So look forward to that. As for feedback on the Tacoma on 35's, she climbs and she crawls. That's all I care about. There's a lot of rubbing. We're gonna work through the kinks and make sure that's taken care of, and you guys will see that here. But other than that, I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You also hit us up for shirts, Dirtnation shirts at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. But other than that, thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.